Hi, I'm Sivam. I'm the co-founder CTO of Zolnoi. This is a very common question for any startup founder, why you started this journey, but I think for me it's a very simple answer as well. So before starting up, I did my PhD. My area of research was AI on machine health. So I always had this passion of how can I translate this, whatever I learned into a real product. So that was, so obvious choice was to build my own company, build a startup and take that product to the market. So that's the whole journey behind starting up this company. At Zolnoi, we help manufacturers improve their energy efficiency and improve their machine reliability. We do this by collecting sensor-based data from the machine and on a near real-time basis give them recommendations so that they can improve their performance and see outcomes in terms of saved energy and reduced downtimes.
Hi everyone, my name is Varun Rai. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Zolnoi. Come with 25 plus years of experience across sectors like oil and gas, logistics and technology. And really excited to be together with Sivam solving some very, very important issues for the manufacturing sector. So the problem we're solving is the $500 billion of energy which is lost during manufacturing. It's a massive impact, not just from a commercial perspective, but just think about the sustainability and the CO2 impact. So this is definitely a top of mind issue at the board level. Now, why has it been so hard to solve is because manufacturing is a complex environment. When I'm running a manufacturing unit, I'm focused on delivering to quality, whatever product specifications I want to manufacture. Now, to solve for energy, there's so many factors at play at any given point in time, from the quality of my coal to the production load. There's so many variables, weather, that it becomes very hard to put all of this data together and optimize, right? So the industry isn't there yet. The industry has just started monitoring. And that's where we see it is a white space and there's a lot of value we can add in the industry. In terms of a recent project, what we did is we visited a chemical synthetic fiber. It's a global Thai conglomerate. In a 2-day walkthrough, we identified almost $1 million per annum worth of saving potential. From that, with the management team, we identified where do they want to go first. So we're working right now on a major energy guzzling equipment in the chemical industry, which is a thermic heater. And a massive potential of 3 to 5% saving. Looks very small, but in INR terms, basically, you're talking about a 3 to 4% saving potential on a 120 crore worth of coal purchase. So that's massive benefits on the bottom line.
So one of the things we do is, unlike using an out-of-the-box AI model, all our AI models are proprietary. So we have developed these foundational models from scratch. And what we also do is in our AI model, we bring in the domain expertise. So unlike traditional models, which are purely working on data, our models also understand the physics, understand the domain, so that they give more contextually relevant predictions and insights for the end user. I think like we were sharing earlier, this is all about energy performance and avoiding downtimes. So one of the examples could be a typical operator in a factory. When they run a machine, let's say they have to deliver a certain heat. All they're doing is delivering that heat at a certain temperature level. What our AI is doing is achieving the same heat, but in a more energy efficient way. Right? So that is something we are able to achieve with the platform. Likewise, when it comes to maintenance, a lot of times the maintenance is reactive, meaning an event happens and then the activity is taken care of. With Zolnoi's platform, the whole idea is predictively, well in advance, you get to know that there is something that's going to happen with your machine. For example, a leakage or a motor breakdown. So they are able to respond to it well in advance before that event happens. So these are just some of the cases where our users are seeing benefits from the platform. So what is happening is building trust on AI in an operational environment is not straightforward. So one of the things we have tried to achieve is have enabled explainable AI in our systems. What that means is when an AI gives a prediction, it also tells you what triggered that prediction. For example, if I'm saying that I have detected a leakage through my AI, I'll also say this is because I saw a certain pressure drop in your machine or a certain temperature variation. So this allows the user to validate by looking at the data during the event, and that gives them more confidence that what the AI said is probably right. But in addition to that, we have also given the option, there are workflows in the platform that allows the user to give feedback on a timely basis so that their feedback is taken into account while making these predictions. You know, my target segment is manufacturing, and Reliance is quite big in the whole manufacturing space. So what has happened, in fact, just a couple of days back, is we've already visited one of Reliance's plant through this engagement, and we've had a very good interaction with the plant team, and we are already exploring an opportunity to start a pilot with them soon. So this is a great opportunity, but in addition to that, of course, we are meeting some other founders as well. So we are expecting to learn and capture, understand from them as well.